What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with a known G80 M3 from us. We have done a lot of mods on this car already, like the front mount intakes. We've done a single mid-pipe, lowering, spacers. And today we have installed a few other parts, styling parts. So we installed the CT carbon front lip and the CT carbon side skirts. We will also be doing a new diffuser, but that was not available right now, so that will be done another time. Other than that, we have also installed a new exhaust on this car, so it had already our single mid-pipe, and we just introduced a titanium equal length Catback from DCE parts, and that exhaust has been installed on this car. This car does have Catless Downpipes, so it's a really loud setup, but it's a resonator version, so it does dampen some of the sharper exhaust notes when you're higher up in the revs. Very lovely car with the new grille, by the way. We also installed the CSL grille. With the new grille, we see the front mount intakes really well, and of course they already sound really nice. But for now we're going to demonstrate to you how the Catback sounds. So we'll showcase you how the single mid-pipe sounds first with the original back box, and then the full Catback with the equal length mid-pipe from DCE parts. It's a titanium version, so it does sound a little bit warmer than the stainless steel versions, but really lovely result. There we go, we have our titanium Catback installed on the G80 M3, equal length section over here, and of course the OPF sensors installed on the OEM place. It's a resonated version, resonators over here. This one already had a single mid-pipe, so this brace is normally not included, it's also not necessary, but it's on this car, XPipe. And then we go to the back. It's a valved muffler, and currently with the titanium exhaust tips. So if you close the valves, everything goes through the rear muffler here. If you open it, of course, everything goes straight through. So like we said, we also installed the CT carbon front lip. Really nice fitment. It fits onto the original installation points, so there are screws underneath there that you can reuse. And of course, we have taken off the side corners and installed this carbon front lip. It's a one-piece front lip, so it's a really easy install. Looks very nice, and the fitment is perfect. Props to CT Carbon, and the customer wanted a nice side skirt, but not with the wings on the sides. So we also chose for the CT Carbon side skirts that also had a perfect fitment. It was straightforward, double-sided tape, and we used screws to put it on. Really lovely how that came together. And if we move back to the front, this is what I meant with the front mount intakes. They look amazing through these grills. The other grill was already really nice. You could see the filters behind the grill, but this is just another level. Sounds nice, fitment was good, so really happy with the results too. So to help out the customer with the new front lip,
We did adjust the ride height a little bit higher, about 7 millimeters, to let him get used to the front lip before we drop it back to the original ride height, which was approximately 7 mil lower. Reason for that, we have installed a height adjustable spring kit, and that is of course something that we usually do when customers do want to have a splitter in the future, because you never know how the splitter will be on your car when you drive it around on speed bumps and that kind of stuff. So we tend to raise the car a little bit when people put on splitters and have gaskets installed, which we've done on the front, and see how that goes. If the car can go lower without any problems, then we'll of course do that as well. So when we go to the back of the car, the Catback has been installed already, of course, so the quad tips sit really nicely in the diffuser. Of course, there will be another diffuser, so we adjusted the exhaust tips to this diffuser first, but if the other diffuser arrives, then we'll adjust it to the dimensions of the new diffuser. Currently, this car runs our titanium version of the exhaust tips, but we will also install a different exhaust tip at a later stage, which is the one with the black surroundings, which is the same one as on our M8. Car also has a performance look spoiler. Lovely car. So yeah, let's cold start the car and then bring it out, warm up the car, and showcase you a few videos of how the car sounds. So welcome on board the G80 M3 with the equal length Catback exhaust from DCE parts. We are now warming up the car to then demonstrate how the car sounds from the outside, but of course also from the inside. A lovely setup. New equal length design with the resonated XPipe, and we are now testing out with the Catless Downpipes. Ideally, maybe with the Catless Downpipes, a resonated version would also be an option. So that's also something that we're going to develop in the future. But of course, for the G80, we also have 200, 300, and 400 cell options. And yeah, so this Catback, of course, deletes a lot of the mufflers. Normally, you have 2 secondary cats, 2 OPFs, 1 resonator, and 1 big rear muffler. So it's quite a bit louder compared to stock, of course. Well, let's wait till the car has been warmed up and then start pushing it a little bit. Ta-da! It's quite loud. So we are now cruising 85 kilometers an hour, perfectly fine with onboard noise. Of course, it is a bit louder than the stock setup. The back box, of course, is a lot bigger, but definitely not too loud on board. Really lovely setup, and of course, if you go for Catless setup, then you can expect a little bit more noise than standard, of course. So this is efficient mode. Off throttle, nothing too much. So this is with the valves closed, driving around. It's all about expectation, of course. I mean, you go for a Catless setup with a loud Catback. Lovely. So let's head onto the highway with efficient mode.
Elektrycznie, no?
Efficient mode. Some coins are moving around here, so that's not the exhaust. Just saying. Oh yeah.
Bitcoins.
Bitcoins. So this is highway speeds.
Dat zit te filmen zeker of zo. Dat is een videomodus.
This is with valves open. Actually pretty good.
Stoelverwarming.
Lekker.
Zit Zeitung.